Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to download mdisk files using Python on Windows. So for that you have to install the Python on Windows. To do that you can download Python from python.org and install it. And also you will need the Github repository created by deathangel141. Uh, you can clone it using this link, or you can go to this link and download the zip file and extract it. And after extracting you will be able to run the program. And after extracting you have to install the requirements needed to run that program using pip install -r requirements.txt. You can do all this in command prompt also, but VS Code makes it easier to see the program and run it, so I'm using VS Code. So now I'll run the program. This repository is the repository cloned from the mdisk downloader. So this is the link which I need to download, so I will enter the link. Pasting. Just a minute. After entering the link it will ask for the video format ID and audio format ID. So we can say here the extension is mp4 and ID is 1, so we will enter 1 as the video format ID, and extension is m4a and ID is 0, so we will enter 0 as the audio format ID. And after taking these inputs it will go on and download video.mp4 file. We can see here all these fragments are for the video.mp4 file, and after downloading the video.mp4 it will download audio.mp4a and use mkb merge to merge those files and create the required file. So I'll just halt this execution here and we'll continue to the modified program. This program is modified by me. So what it does is you can give all the links which are to be downloaded here in this links.txt file and run this main.py. What this main.py does, it uses mdisk.py program and downloads those links one by one. So it reads the file links.txt file and parses those lines and gives those links as the input to mdisk file, mdisk.py. And so here we can see that this is mdisk function, and now I will run this main.py. To do that we will go to the mdisk downloader version 2, and after that we will run, and this h89i5b is the what it is the last code of the link. So here we can see that it didn't ask for the video format ID and audio format ID, because what we have done here is we have let me see. So this is the mdisk. So we have hard coded the video format and audio format ID instead of giving the input every time. In this way it will download the mp4 file, and after it will download the audio.mp4 and it will merge those files and create the required file. That's all. I hope you got to learn from this video, and thank you for watching.